Hi folks, welcome to the video. Today we're not today, actually it's about 8:30. We're gonna be going up to the lake. Oh my god, this lighting's trash in my room. Alright, but anyways, I start my video, every single video in my freaking room. But whatever, doesn't matter. We're gonna be heading up to the lake in about half an hour-ish. Seeing if we can catch some fish tomorrow morning. We're not gonna get there till like 11, so yeah. We're packing up the car. We're only gonna be there for like a day, so hopefully we catch some fish. Hopefully it'll be lit day, or lit night, I mean. But hopefully the drive goes smooth. Everybody gets home safe. So yeah, let's get there. Stop number one, getting gas. Hopefully we have about like an hour left, so hopefully we can get there safely. It's about, let's see, 10, I don't know if you can see that, 10 or 9:44. It's about 10 o'clock, so hope we can catch him. There's Mike. Mike's pumping up the gas. If it'll focus. Oh yeah, look at Mike. Oh yeah. Okay. Alright, next clip will be us. Oh wait, hold on, I forgot to mention. I forgot my GoPro at my house, so we lost like 15 minutes of time. But okay, I just want to mention that. Alright, next clip will be me at the lake. We have made it. It's 11:11 actually. Okay, but we're gonna be waking up at 4:30 tomorrow morning. I don't know if I'll go out at 4:30, but I'll probably go out by 5. So hope you guys enjoy these videos, and catch y'all tomorrow. All right, folks. Oh God, I'm out here finally. See if I can catch some fish. It's about 5 in the morning. See how we can do here. First one. That was such a weird bite. First one of the day. Nice fat chunk. I know my videos here are like the exact same the past times I've been coming here, but I've been trying to switch them up. But I'm actually tying a whopper plopper right now just to see if I can catch one on that. Then I had this bluegill swim bait tied on too. I don't know if I'll catch them on that either, but I'm gonna tie on this whopper plopper. Number 2. Number 2, folks, on the jig. It took a little while to catch another one, but it's been kind of difficult, I'm not gonna lie. It's a nice little 14-incher, not terrible, but not as good as it could be. Look at, he's gonna jump. That was cool. Oh my God, are you serious? Oh, I found the rock bass, and he somehow managed to eat my chatterbait. Well, folks, he's like barely hooked. It's not even that big. Like the other one I saw was way bigger. I don't know how that thing couldn't manage it. Wow. Guess it's kind of cool, I guess. I mean, alright. It's kind of weird, but I guess it's alright. I don't know what to say there. Jesus, I guess acknowledge that you're getting this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you see that? Holy crap. Holy crap. That was freaking insane. Oh my god, it's a giant. Oh, it's not a giant. It's a good fish, though. Holy crap. Jesus, did you see that? I got it right out of a freaking branch. And he smoked it. There's no way that thing's not even 2 pounds. Oh, this scale sucks ass. All these fucking scales suck ass. Alright, folks. I just found a turtle. It's pretty sick. Like, he got like a gash on his back or something there. I don't know what that's all about, but cute little painted turtle guy. I'm gonna go put him back in the water. He was like in the middle of the parking lot, so this should be fine. It shouldn't, you know, do anything to him. He'll be fine. I'll wait for him to swim away here in a minute. There he goes. Nice. Cool little turtle. Alright, folks. Oh my god, you can't even see me. Alright. Alright, anyways. So, it's about 9 o'clock right now. So, it's, some thunderstorms are gonna roll in. Bro, you can't see nothing. You, like, walk backwards. Okay. Some thunderstorms about to roll in. Should be good for fishing. It's about 75 degrees out, so hopefully, you know, it'll be pretty good. Caught a couple this morning, as you guys saw, on top water. That was pretty cool. But so far, we're just gonna go back to this other bridge where I don't think I was even recording, but I lost like a really nice bass on a freaking swim bait. Then I lost a swim bait in the tree, so yeah, we're gonna go to this other place. Oh, there's a frog right there. Look at him. Alright. Let's go see if we can catch some big bass. Oh god. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. That's a big bass. Oh god, yeah, that's a big bass. That's a big bass. That's a big bass. Oh my god, yep, that's a big bass. Oh my god, that's a big bass. Yep, that's a big bass. Yep. Yep. That's about a 4-pounder. Alright, folks. Look at this nice large I just caught. Probably, I'd say close to 4 pounds. It's a nice one on that jig. Sick. Love catching these. Awesome, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fish. Alright, let's get a release on her. It's a nice one. By far the biggest one of the day for me. Wow. Very beautiful fish. Oh, going the wrong way. There she goes. Wow. Wow, different change of pace, that's for sure, from this morning. This morning was all, not a ton of big fish, but there's more numbers. That one just, very surprised to catch that. It surprised me, honestly. I was just sitting here talking to myself, honestly. I'm not even gonna lie. And I just got it on it. Oh god, it hit me in the face. Oh my god. Oh god. Where's that jig? There it is. Oh, now I got the camera all wet. Alright, but anyways. That's been the deal. The jig. Jig's such a good lure up here. Oh, it works awesome. I don't think barely anybody throws it, but out of this tiny canal, probably, I mean, it's up about 3 feet, but if it wasn't, it's probably only about 20 feet wide. It's not that big. Well, I'm gonna stop blabbering, so hopefully we catch some more. What, the hair? Yeah. Try it. Yeah, one of those. Oh, there we go. Oh! Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Yeah. Oh my god. Don't get off, don't get off, don't get off. Don't get off. It's a big one. Oh my god, it's a giant. Holy smokes. Whopper flopper. Dad, this is huge. This is huge. This is huge. Holy crap. Yeah. Holy crap. This is big. Yeah, I'm gonna probably get my scale out for this one.
Julia, you revived it and they got
Yeah, like that's like whole. Look how long that is. That's freaking long.
You happy?
Oh my god, it just. It's fine. It was 3 pounds. Alright.
You happy? Look.
3 pound smallmouth. Not bad.
Look.
There she goes.
Yeah.
This is crazy. I've been missing a ton of fish on this water flopper, wherever the hell it is. Right here. Just a white colored water flopper. I got one like my first cast. And I keep getting a bunch of other hits. But this is a beautiful, beautiful river. I'll keep the name on the down low though. Let's see if we can catch a couple more on top water. Got him. Fish on. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is that? It's a bass. Oh my god, it's a bass. Oh my god, it's a bass. I just caught a freaking bass out of this shallow, bro. Uh-oh. Yeah, he's got that down his gullet too. Oh yeah. It's about the only thing I can do for you, buddy. I left my line sitting there. No, the hook's gone. Okay. He'll be able to digest it. It's not that big of a deal. But I'm just going to cut this line. He'll be completely fine. I mean, bass are smart. They'll go back out into that stuff. Oh, I just realized I had a mosquito on my arm. That's why shit just bit me. It's okay, buddy. I'll give you a toss out there. Huh. There she goes. And I just got bit. Real sick. So yeah, there's some bass back here. I can't believe that just happened though. A lost fish. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy. 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 What the? You see that? What? Okay. Someone please explain to me what just happened. I almost just stepped on like a freaking bowfin. Like what? What? Like what is going on? What? Like what? Like what? Like. Buddy's just trying to sit here and relax, and I'm freaking. Like, I literally I almost stepped on him. Like, I'm being dead ass. I was like, oh, he moved. No, the damn thing did not move. The damn thing was right in front of me. It almost made me poop my pants, bro. Like, I'm not lying when I say that. Like, that thing scared the balls out of me. I can see there's a bowfin back there. I can literally see it. He's back saying, oh, bro, that scared the freaking balls out of me. Bro, I'm wearing polarized sunglasses and I didn't see that thing. Holy shit, he was right there. Holy shit, he was right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you see that? Oh no. Alright folks, we're ending the day here. Today was, oh my, I can't get the sun on me. Today was a crazy day to say the least. Didn't have my camera on and that bowfin like an idiot. Trust me, roast me in the comments, I'm an idiot for that. I look like a tomato. I've been out in the friggin' sun all day. Tired. Caught 2 smallmouth at that other spot and then 1 bass in this tiny little, like, literally like 6 inches, maybe, at the most. Yeah, I'm wrapping up the day. We were only here for about a day, like not even 24 hours. But 4th of July is coming. I'll be up here for about 4 or 5 days. So make sure you look forward to those videos because those videos are going to be sick, I hope. And yeah, let me know if you guys want to see me target some bowfin, because I actually want to target bowfin too. Like, I'm going to look up videos and actually how to target them. If you have any suggestions in the comments, let me know. And I'll be sure to actually catch them or try to actually follow them and catch these bowfin, because I caught one on a finesse jig, but I don't think that's what they're feeding on. They're in there feeding on bait. But alright, enough rambling. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you stay tuned for the next one. Catch you guys later.